Introducing the all-new Nissan Interstar. A partner that will take your business to the next level. With a choice of two types of powertrains to work better and live better. Two battery options offering a range of up to 460 kilometers for the long haulers, or an approximately 200 kilometers range for shorter but intense missions. An unrivaled efficiency thanks to enhanced aerodynamics, with a maximum EV van payload of 1.6 ton and a 2.5 tons towing capacity. The all-new Nissan Interstar also offers a wide range of variants for the everyday heroes that keep our society running. For those who transport people, tools or equipment, some boxes or many more, or even to explore with freedom. To stay refrigerated or in the open air. The all-new Nissan Interstar, the mighty business partner built for everyday heroes.